Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L3212 Printer Driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In search, type L3212 Printer Driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson and the link name is Epson L3210. This is a series printer and this series printer include many printers, and one of these printer is our printer name Epson L3212. Open this Epson L3210 link, open that. This support our printer, and here we find our official website of the Epson. Here we find Epson and our series printer name. This is a series printer name. Scroll down and here we find operating system. It is a very IMP. If your operating system is not properly detected, then click at here. But one problem, this printer is not supported Windows 11. So go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Go to the any 64-bit or Windows 10 64-bit link. Select Windows 10 64-bit link. If it's not detected, then here we find go button. Click on that go button and our web page go to the refresh. And after that, scroll down and here we find drivers. Click on this plus button, expand drivers, and here we find scanner drivers, and here we find printer driver. First, I download the scanner driver. I go to the here scanner driver, click on the download. It's redirected to the another page. Click on the accept, and our download is started at here. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to download to complete it. It's completed in few seconds. It's completed now, and go to the downloads, show in a folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is the our scanner file. Go to the our web page once again and download the our printer driver. Go to the drivers web page, close it, and go to the main web page. Scroll down and here you find printer driver. Click on the download. It's redirect to the another page. Click on the accept. It's downloaded our file. Go to the here downloads, show in a folder. Our download is completed. Click on show in a folder, minimize it, drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here is the our printer driver. Here is the our printer driver, and here is the our scanner driver. And this printer driver is actually a zip file, and we are going to extract this zip file or unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Right click on the printer setup file, right click on it, click on the show more options, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's extract files and create a new folder on our desktop. Double click on it, double click on it, double click on it. Here is the our printer driver file. Close it, and we are going to install this printer driver file manually. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds. A new option is pop up in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add manually. Click on add manually. Close it or minimize it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, we find many option. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you want. Select USB port. Click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Double click on our newly extracted folder. Double click on our folder. Here we find one folder. Double click on that folder. Double click on that folder. Here we find many files. Select any file that you want. I select first file. You can select any files. All files are same. Contain all printer drivers. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Epson L3210 series. It is a series printer. In this series, our printer name L3212 is also included. Select that and click on the next. I already installed this printer, so it's asked me for the replace drivers. Click on the next And here we find printer name Epson. You can give any printer name that you want. I give the Epson L3212. You can give any printer name that you want. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's install our printer in few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer, then click on for last option, share this printer in a network. I don't want, so I click on do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on the finish. Next option is install our scanner driver. That is very easy. Go to the scanner, double click on the scanner and install it, or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on the yes. It's extract.zip file and setup is started. Click on the next. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. It is installing our scanner. Wait for a few seconds. Our scanner is also installed. Click on the finish. Our installation part is done. Now check our printer is properly installed or not. That is very easy. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, if you find Epson L3212, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.